So if I want you to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept of the graph of this equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 12, first we have to remember what the x-intercept and the y-intercept means. So let's do a quick illustration here. So we have our horizontal axis x and our vertical axis y. And let's say our line looks something like that, just as an example. So our x-intercept is the point where it crosses the x-axis. And since this is the x-axis, that would be at this point. And so at this point, we have our y value is equal to 0, right? Let's rewrite that. So our y value is equal to 0 when we have our x-intercept. And similarly, if we have our y-intercept, the point where the line crosses the y-axis, that's this point right here. So at this point, x is actually equal to 0. So first, let's find the x-intercept. Now, as the graph said, the x-intercept down here is the point where y is equal to 0. So we want to let y equal to 0 into 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 12. So we just replace y with 0 here. So we get 3x plus 4 times 0 is equal to negative 12. And anything times 0 is going to be 0, so this is going to be 0. So we get 3x is equal to negative 12. So, and dividing both sides by negative 12, our x-intercept is, our x-intercept is negative 12 over 3, which is negative 4. And the way we write that, we can write that in terms of the coordinate form. So the x-intercept is, well, x is negative 4, right? And what's y? Well, y is equal to 0, as we said in the beginning. So if you want to write it in coordinate form, you could say that the x-intercept is negative 4, 0. So now, to find the y-intercept, we let x equal 0. Because remember, the point where it crosses the y-axis, the x value is equal to 0. So we plug x equals 0 into this function now. So 3 times 0 plus 4y is equal to negative 12. The 3 times 0 goes away. And so we have 4y is equal to negative 12, which means that y is equal to negative 12 over 4, which is negative 3. So the way we write it is that our y-intercept is, well, x is equal to 0, right? Because that's what we that's how we found negative 3, and then our y is negative 3. So that's how we write the y-intercept in coordinate form. So for this graph, 3x plus 4y is equal to negative 12, the x-intercept is at negative 4, 0, and the y-intercept is at 0, negative 3.